Hello viewers, we hope you are fit and fine. So today we will introduce a small tabletop magnifier which is LED illuminated. Model is ITM EST 1706 and it is sold by India Enterprises. It is a very useful product for examining small object under its lens. So let's start and see what is inside this box. You will get this magnifier inside this box, and a secure packing will ensure uh, its safety during transportation. And we need to just take out this packaging from this carton and remove the secure packing to take out the main unit. This is very compact type magnifier which is illuminated by LEDs. You know, LEDs are having a very long life as compared to traditional type CFL and other light source. So you can see it can hold its position when placed on a flat surface. The entire body is EST safe, and it is illuminated by a ring of LED lights. So we can adjust the height of the lens by just adjusting these flexible arm. AC power source is used to power on this magnifier. So we will use a 3-pin power plug to which will connect to the main AC power source to 222 to 30 volt AC power source. A small on off switch is provided on the body of this magnifier, which is used to switch on and off the magnifier. So we can see that we have now switched on this unit, and now we can see a brighter light is visible clearly, and we can see this lens also. The size of lens is around 3 inch, and the main magnification is 3x, and as you know, we can see a small window of lens which is embedded to the main lens, and it is having a 4x magnification. So the combined magnification of these two lenses is 12x. So if from this small window we can see micro objects, and from the main lens we can see the slightly larger objects. So a protection cover is provided on top of this lens to protect it from damaging. So we can use this protection cover when this magnifier is not in use, and it is also ESD safe. And we can see that the height of the lens, the main lens, can be adjusted by moving the arm upward or downwards. You can see that we can adjust the height of the lens, and similarly the head of this head magnifier can be rotated 180 degree to you know uh, cover a larger area. So we can see that the head of this magnifier can also be adjusted. It can be maneuvered according to the application, and as I already told you, its body is entirely ESD safe, and with the help of a surface stability meter we can check the ESD property also. So we will check its property. We can see that yes, with the help of a surface stability meter we can see it is within a permitted dissipative range. So this entire body is ESD safe, so you can use this magnifier inside the clean rooms and where ESD protection is required. So we can verify from different angles the ESD property. We can verify this is used for multi-purpose application for examining small SMD components or some other small objects under its lens. So this is a optical grade lens, and it gives a clearer image inside under this its lens. So you will find this product very useful for your application. So we highly recommend you to buy this product from India Enterprises, and it is worth for your application. Mm. So thanks for watching this video. We hope you will like this video. Thanks. viewers, today we are going to show you a large size LED illuminated magnifier, basically used for QC inspection and examining micro objects. So we will see how it looks and how it is operated. So let's start. You will receive this magnifier in this secured packing. So outer is the carton cover. We will unbox it first and take out the inner packing. See, there is a secured packing inside this carton. So this secure packing protects this magnifier during transportation. So after receiving the package, you need to remove this carton first and take out this thermocol packing, and inside this packing we can see that magnifier. See, this is a large size magnifier with 7-inch diameter lens. So the model is IML 7W LSA. It is sold by India Enterprises. It's a very useful product for examining micro objects under its lens. So the illumination is LED based, so it is having a long life as compared to traditional type CFL and other power sources. So you can achieve a lifespan of 20,000 hours or more by using these LED fitted inside this magnifier. So we will take out this magnifier and a compatible clamp also. See, this magnifier can be mounted on a tabletop with the help of this clamp. We need to fix the clamp on the edge of the table. So we will show you how it is fixed to the edge of the table. See, this is how this clamp is fitted on the table, and inside this hole we will insert the arm of the magnifier. You can see a hole there. So in this hole we will insert this the arm, the flexible arm of the magnifier. See how it is inserted. So is very flexible type of arm is provided. So it is so with the help of this flexible arm, the magnifier can be adjusted according. So it boasts a flexible type of adjustable arm. So with the help of this adjustable arm, we can just adjust the uh, vision area of this magnifier, and it can cover a large area. So by adjusting the magnifier, we can focus on the object we want to examine under its lens. Okay. So it is operated on the 230 volt AC power source. So a power cord is 3 pin type power cord is provided to supply. An on off switch is provided on the top of this magnifier. With the help of this switch, we can switch on the magnifier and then switch it off according to our requirement. See, we can see the illumination here also. So it translucent type of filtration is also provided under this magnifier, so that minimum reflection is achieved. We can see that. And on top of this lens, a protection cover is provided, which can protect this lens from damage. So we need to open this protection cover for starting the examination. So we can see it is having a large size 7-inch um, lens, and the magnification is 5x. It is also ESD safe. So we will check its ESD property also with the help of a surface resistivity meter. So we will take a surface resistivity meter, and we will check its surface resistivity of this magnifier. So we can see it is within the permitted range. The body is dissipative. See, here it is also dissipative. So the entire this entire magnifier is ESD safe, and it is also properly grounded to the earth with the help of a 3-pin plug. So it's a very useful product when you are examining a small or micro objects. So it's give a larger view also of the object under measurement. So you rarely find this magnifier with a large size 7-inch lens. So it is sold by India Enterprises. It's a must buy product if you are using it for quality control and inspection purposes. So please go for it and buy it from India Enterprises. Thanks for watching. Hello viewers, today we will show you a LED illuminated magnifier ICN EST05, which is sold by India Enterprises. It's a very useful product for examining small components and other objects under its lens. So it is also ESD safe, and you can use it in clean room also. So let's start and see what is inside this box. You will get this magnifier with inside a secure packing to avoid any transportation damage. Now we will take out the magnifier from the packing. So this magnifier is fixed uh, on the table with the help of a clamp. See, you can see this clamp. So this flexible arm is inserted inside the hole, which is on the top side of this clamp, and this clamp is fixed to on the edge of a table, and then flexible arm is inserted inside this hole, and then the magnifier will be ready to use. So this is how the clamp is fixed on the edge of the table. But by rotating this locking mechanism, we can fix this clamp on the edge of the table, and now you can see that it is properly fixed on the edge of the table. And now we will just remove the remaining packing also from this magnifier, and then we will insert the flexible arm inside this hole on the top of the clamp. See, this is how the flexible arm is inserted inside this clamp. So now we will connect it to the main AC power source. It is operated on AC voltage, 230 volt AC voltage, a standard Indian power supply source. Now we will on off switch is provided on top of this magnifier to switch on the magnifier. So we can switch it from here, and you can see the LED illumination is now clearly visible. See, you can see a long life LED ring is provided inside this magnifier. So we can see a translucent type cover is provided on top of this the LED ring to minimize the reflection. And now we can see that this flexible arm can be adjusted according to our choice, and this magnifier can be positioned uh, according to the object under examination. So we can see it can cover a large area. See how this is very extremely flexible arm, and it can cover a large area. Accordingly, with the help of this knob, we can adjust the positioning of magnifier head as well. So yeah, with the help of this knob, we can adjust the head of the magnifier as well, and we can just fix the this flexible arm with the help of these knobs. Okay, so it will now retain its position wherever we just adjust the flexible arm by the help of these clamp. We can just fix this flexible arm at a specific position, and then it will just retain its position. So the whole flexible arm and the flexible head, with the help of both these flexible arm and head, we can cover a large area, and it can retain its position when we left the like this flexible arm. Now a protection cover is provided also on top of the lens. You see it's a 5-inch lens, we can see a 5-inch lens we can see, and top of this lens a protection cover is provided to protect the lens from damaging. Now we will check the surface resistivity of this magnifier also. As we claimed that it is a ESD safe, with the help of a surface resistivity meter we will check the surface resistivity of this magnifier, and we can see it is within a dissipative range. So now it is sure that this magnifier is ESD safe, and we can use it inside the clean room also, and where ESD protection is required. So we have given you a complete introduction about this magnifier, and it is very useful product for examining micro objects and other small components under its lens. So it's a must buy product. We highly recommend you to buy this product from India Enterprises, and you will find it very useful for your lab. Thanks for watching.